Let's introduce everyone on the panel tonight. We have Dr. Indira Tiwari, she's General Secretary of the Hindu Mahasabha. And we have Pandit Ajay Gautam, he's spokesperson of the Shankaracharya of Dwarkadish Peeth. Representing the Dera Sacha Sauda, the Love Charger Baba, the Rockstar Baba, whatever you call him, is spokesperson of the Dera Sacha Sauda. Dr. Aditya Insan, Satyapal Jain of the BJP, Manjeet Singh GK of the Delhi Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee, and Maheshinder Singh Grewal, who is an advisor to the Chief Minister of Punjab, and Sanjay Hegde completing our panel tonight. Thank you very much. Gentlemen, let's begin. Dr. Aditya Insan, how can castrations lead to God? Can you explain how castrations lead to God?
That is for you to answer. I mean, we have never preached this as a method to reach God. And that's very presumptuous of you to make such a statement.
It's not presumptuous at all because no, one second, Mr.
This has got nothing to do with the Dera. We have been
The High Court has ordered a CBI investigation into this matter. Why has the High Court ordered a CBI investigation into this matter? Because as you should know this, that a CBI investigation as per the rulings of the Supreme Court of India can only be ordered under exceptional circumstances, so you can't dismiss this charge. You can't just dismiss it.
So basically, you are trying to say that ordering a CBI inquiry is tantamount to making the accused.
No, I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is, no, what I'm saying is that the High Court finds.
Let the inquiry.
No, one second. The High Court. No, one second. The High Court finds enough merits.
The High Court is sacrosanct.
The High Court finds enough merits into the claims.
To the extent of.
No, one second, Mr. Dr. Aditya. The High Court, first of all, Sanjay Hegde can explain this to you. He's an advocate in the Supreme Court. For a CBI investigation to be ordered, Sanjay Hegde, the High Court would have to find some merits, serious merits in the claims made by the petitioner that the castration process of 400 odd Dera followers was done by Gurmeet Ram Rahim through medical doctors employed by the Dera under the pretext that should they undergo the process, they will meet God. So if it had been a mere conspiracy against the Baba, the court would have dismissed the petition, but it didn't. Maybe you can just explain the process through which, CBI investigations are not ordered every day or every night.
Here, they're not ordered just on the drop of a hat. Here there was a petitioner who himself stayed in the Dera for as recently as about a week or two ago. He has been castrated. The High Court is satisfied that he has been castrated. The High Court is concerned at the fact that his allegation is that there are 400 more like him. The second part is that can you trust the police of Haryana to have an independent investigation? As is already now notorious public knowledge, the current government in Haryana was backed by the Baba, by the Dera. So in the interest of an independent investigation, the High Court has asked for a CBI inquiry because the allegations are grave. There can be a compromised investigation if it is left to the local police. Therefore, the central body has been asked to step in. I do think that this is one of the gravest of matters. You can worship God in almost any way that you choose to. That is your private affair. But if somebody who claims to be a man of God deceives you into even parting away with your manhood, and if that is an allegation in which has found merit with the High Court, I think it requires a very speedy investigation and immediate reporting back to the High Court, because after all, if there's more than one castrated man who is found on the to have been a member of the Dera, then that is something of serious concern to all.
You see, Mr. Hegde, why this matter is very serious is because you see what happens is, Dr. Aditya, politicians come to the Dera Sacha Sauda. Politicians say, give us your support. And sometimes the Baba supports the Congress, sometimes he supports the BJP. And in turn, obviously, cases of rape, murder and now castration drag on for years. He doesn't even appear in court. Satyapal Jain, how long is this the country that the BJP promised? When you fought the election saying India
No, the
first.
advocate-
No, what's
by
it?
Leonard
Satyapal
Friend, the
Jain.
advocate has got the
Satyapal
facts
Jain,
entirely
did you say
wrong.
India first
I
or
mean,
Baba
I can't-
first? I'm asking
can't have
you,
a discussion on
Satyapal
wrong
Jain,
facts.
is this an India first country or a Baba first country? Is this, did you promise India first or Baba first?
Clarify.
Please.
Kindly, may I clarify? You also and Mr. Hegde also kindly correct your facts. This writ petition was not filed after we came to power. This writ petition was filed in the High Court in 2012 when it was this Congress government at the center and in Haryana. We came to power in Haryana on 26th of October.
Sure,
About
that's
2 months
exactly
back.
what I'm saying.
All
Earlier he
these
used to patronize
offences-
the Congress,
all
now he
these
patronizes
offences-
you.
The petitioner had left
all
the data
these
3 years
offences-
before he made the
all
allegations.
these offences were
It's not a
committed
week or
before we
two.
came to power.
It's 3 years
So when
before
we
he made
came
the
to power,
allegations.
High Court had only 2 hearings. One on 17th of November, another on the last date in December when the judge ordered. We did not oppose the handing over the case to the CBI. It is before 26th of November, October when we came to power, that police never tried to arrest him. Police never traced the cases. Police never
Forget what
bothered
the
to
others
investigate
did.
the matter.
No,
And
one
I'm surprised
second.
and shocked.
No, one
I'm
second.
shocked.
First of
You
all,
are
Mr.
unnecessarily
Satyapal Jain, will you
investigating.
tell me?
How could BJP come and arrest him?
No, is it true or not that the BJP got his support in the last election? Tell me, did he support the BJP
May
in the
I
last
clarify
election or
this?
not?
Arnab,
This
you are
DERA,
getting the
I'm
facts all
replying,
wrong.
I'm replying,
Please
I'm
allow me to
replying.
say something.
This DERA has a
Facts all
political
wrong.
affairs committee. In all the elections, this DERA has been announcing its supports to the Congress. Captain Amrinder Singh, many senior Congress leaders.
But
have
he
been visiting
switched.
that area.
Last election he
Bhupinder Singh Hooda
supported
has been
you.
visiting.
Last election he supported you.
Only in the last assembly election.
Right.
Only in the last assembly election they did not support the Congress. And may I tell you one thing more? In Sirsa, where this DERA is situated, we did not win even a single seat.
It doesn't matter what you won or you lost. Miss, 1 second, please. Please let me explain to you why I'm asking this question. My question is, sir, your silence on this man is shocking. Sir, your silence on this man is shocking.
By him.
Why don't you tell me? No, first of all, the political
I'm
wing.
saying we stand for the rule of law.
Sir, what rule of law?
We
Is this
stand for the
India
rule of
first or
law.
Baba first?
We
There are
will give
circumstances
full
I need to
cooperation to
state
the CBI for investigation. Let CBI investigate.
Sir, your silence on the man is shocking. It doesn't take you a minute to seek the resignations of your political opponents.
Where is the question of
When they
silence?
haven't been
We came
convicted,
to
you are
power only
completely
2 months
silent.
back. It has been handed over to CBI last week. Where is the question of silence?
Sir, tell
I'm
me
saying
first of
with
all,
full sense of
Mr.
responsibility,
Satyapal Jain.
we will give full
Mr.
cooperation
Satyapal
to CBI.
Jain.
Let CBI investigate.
Mr.
and take action.
Satyapal Jain, please understand how serious you are allowing a situation, Hisar-like situation to build up. Will the BJP tell us what Mr. Khattar is doing about the fact that the Haryana and Punjab
Arnab,
High
you're
Court
absolutely
observed, and I
ridiculous.
quote,
You're
that
not allowing me to
I
clarify
quote,
the facts
and I
and put
quote,
facts in
that a
perspective,
search
and
of the
you're
DERA
imagining
to
a
unearth
situation.
arms and ammunitions
Don't
and
be the
monitoring
media
its
Baba here.
activities on a periodic
Arnab.
basis is
Baba,
absolute
what are
need
you
of the
doing,
hour
Arnab?
to avoid future bloody confrontations. This was said on December 1st. What has Mr. Khattar done 26 days later?
Sir, immediately thereafter, the matter was heard by the High Court. High Court has met and handed the entire matter to CBI. We are giving the matter is before the CBI. Let CBI raid there. Let CBI arrest any person it may like. Our government will give full cooperation, full coordination with the CBI. Why
Sir.
are you blaming unnecessarily us? We came to power.
You are
only
in
2
power.
months
They
back,
gave
and
you are
all these
you
wrongs
take
were
their
collected
support.
there much earlier
You
to
take
that.
their support. The man is accused of murder. The man is accused of rape.
Simply because
The man is accused of sexual
No,
assault.
in all the elections.
The man is now accused
This
of forcible
rape-
castration.
This rape accusation was when he was supporting Congress.
Sir.
When he was supporting Congress, when the Congress government was there.
Now-
when he supported us, after that there is not even a single
Mr.
allegation
Satyapal
against
Jain,
him.
get
And
your
if there
facts
is an
right.
allegation, we will
Get your
proceed
facts
as per
right
law.
in
What a
2002.
beautiful concept you have.
In,
If an
two-
innocent is
in
accused of something
2002,
wrong,
an
he should be
anonymous
hanged,
letter was
even
written
if he's innocent.
addressed to the then
That's
Prime
the
Minister of
standard
India,
of law.
Atal Bihari Vajpayee, accusing the DERA chief of sexual abuse.
Yes.
This was in 2002. Punjab and Haryana High Court took up the matter, ordered a CBI investigation into the incident in 2002.
You cannot, in 13
Yes, yes.
years, they could not establish who the author of the letter was. And we are having a whole tirade based on this.
Sir,
the
please-
author of the anonymous letter has not-
Dr.
You
Aditya,
cannot claim that it was
Dr.
a woman
Aditya, on
or
the basis
a
of
deputy.
Dr.
Yes, allow me
Aditya,
to-
Dr. Aditya, please.
All I want
The
to do
Punjab
is
and
to bring
Haryana
the
High
facts.
Court on the 17th
man
of
left
December
the data.
2014
Allow
asked
me
the
to
Central
speak.
Bureau of Investigation, 1 minute, special court in Panchkula to conclude the rape trial against Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh within 6 months. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? And
Yeah,
you,
beautiful. We love that judgment.
well,
Yeah,
there's no
I
judgment,
appreciate
it's a
that
fact.
judgment.
It's a
let
fact.
let the trial come to a close. So that
Well,
you can
why
have
has the
the
trial not
judgment
come
what
to a
the
close?
facts
That's
are.
my question.
Exactly.
That's
We
my
welcome
question.
that judgment because
That's,
the fact
no.
is,
That's
you
my
don't
that's
know
my
what's
question to
going on.
you. That's my question to you. How did has he skipped court appearances?
we are
Has he
extremely
appeared in court?
appreciative of the fact
Has he appeared in
we
court
have
till
not
now?
skipped any
Dr.
court
Aditya,
appearances.
tell me, has he appeared in court?
Yes, we have. There is no procedure in the court of law where one can skip appearances without a proper exemption. We have been attending the court regularly. The exemptions have been few and far between. This thesis and
Exemptions are few and far between. Okay, fine.
This is without basis. The process of the court.
You are so wrong. You are so wrong. The CBI lawyer,
Attending
the
the
CBI lawyer
proceedings.
HPS Verma has alleged that Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh
The CBI
has
lawyer
made.
is not
1 minute,
God.
listen to
And
me.
if he is lying, I
Listen
cannot
to me,
help it.
sir. He has made more than 100
Even-
video conference appearances,
even the video-
but not
even
a
the-
single, not a
Even the
single
video
physical
conference
appearance in
appearances
court.
have been sanctioned by the Honorable High Court.
Now, do you want to listen? Do you want to listen, please?
After
Do you
the
want to
RDX
listen?
attack in Nilo
I
Kedi.
believe now. Understand this, Dr. Aditya. I believe that in this country, all these babas must be brought down to earth. You understand what I'm saying? Bring them down to earth. One second.
you
One
can't-
second.
why you
One minute.
decide
These
whether-
babas think they are a law to themselves. We'll bring them down to earth. Bring the babas down to earth. Who do these babas think they are?
Guruji
Who
is
are
already
they?
down.
Whatever, maybe your Guruji is not my Guruji.
You're getting the facts
Please,
all wrong.
don't demand
You're getting the
allegiance
facts
from
all
every
wrong.
person because he's your Guruji.
The Babas who
No,
belong to the
see,
Hinduism only.
see,
Why you are not
that's
talking?
not-
My
about the
question is, sir,
Maulana
please
Abdul-
understand,
Rape
he's a
was in the
messenger of
30th
God, right? So here's my question.
Why you are not talking?
Which one of you-
You are not talking about
So
the
the messenger
madrasa
of God is
where
going to
8
prove
years
himself. Let the
raped
trial
it.
get over.
No, one
You
second.
cannot
Just
hang,
1 minute,
you
1 minute.
cannot
1
say
minute.
that
What am I
justice is
saying?
convict.
What am I saying,
Arnab,
Dr.
you have
Aditya?
to- you have
Listen to me, listen to me.
You have to allow me to put the facts.
Listen to me, please.
Yeah, please.
Listen to me, please. Okay? He's a messenger of God, right? For you, not for me. So listen to me. The CBI lawyer has alleged that Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh has made more than 100 video conference appearances, not a single physical appearance in court, which you should know is mandatory under Section 313 of the Criminal Procedure Code. Given that Justice K. Kannan had corroborated the fact that, I quote, there has not been a single instance when the respondent has appeared in person in court. The fact is Section 313 of the Constitution has been violated. Does a messenger of God break the law like this? What kind of law is this? Just because you got political patronage, break the law. No need to
Allow me
appear
to
in court.
answer.
Why?
Allow me to
Why?
answer. You
No,
can't
why?
sing a song.
Why? And you know what he says?
Allow me
No,
to
one second.
answer.
You know what he
You
says?
allow me to answer.
You are talking about the Puralia after some time.
So I'm
and
not
what is
interested in
happened
what he
in the
says.
matter
You
of
have to
Puralia?
allow me to
I'll
answer.
talk about
Arnab.
Purulia. When I talk about
Please allow
Purulia,
me
I'm
to
asking you, it has been alleged by Anshul Chhatrapati,
Arnab,
who is the son of the slain Ramchandar Chhatrapati, that the Dera chief did not appear before the CBI court once again, saying he has got a back pain, but was shooting a film on himself in Himachal Pradesh. You have the time to shoot a film,
Arnab,
but you don't have the time to appear in court.
allow me to answer.
No, I don't understand the double standard, sir. I said, bring the Babas down to earth.
No.
Bring them,
Arnab,
appear
I
in
Double
court.
standard of the
No,
court.
see,
Our
You may be the
government,
Baba
we are
for your own
targeting
followers, but
the
as far as the court is
only-
concerned, you have one law. And even if you have political support, so what if the
Arnab, this
BJP
cannot
supports
be a
you? The
monologue.
BJP also has a law to
Arnab,
believe in.
Arnab, if this is an informed debate, then this cannot be a monologue. Allow me to answer. First of all, Guruji has been attending all the courts regularly. Now, after the attack in Nilo Khedi on Guruji's carcade, when 2.5 kilos of RDX was used to try and blow up his vehicle, after that, the state government moved court. After that, the video conferences started. And for the 313 section also, it is also under an order by the Honorable High Court, because the CBI had taken up this matter. It was an
I'll tell
order
you
by
where
the
you're
Honorable
wrong.
High Court under which the video conferences are continuing.
I'll tell you where you're wrong. No, you make
I'll
the
produce
bench of justice, the bench
No,
of
I'm not
justice.
wrong anywhere.
The bench of
I'm
justice K. Kannan. You answer me on fact. The bench
the-
of justice K. Kannan observed on November
bench of
14th
Justice K.
when your
Kannan was
chief,
not seized
when
on
your
this
chief,
matter. The
when
bench
your
of
chief,
Justice
allow
K.
me to
Kannan had
complete.
got nothing to do with this matter.
I'm telling you,
It was this matter was put up before
I am
another
talking
bench by the CBI.
The
and that
DERA
bench has
chief.
conclusively decided
Please let me
that the
quote the
was
court.
within its
When your chief,
jurisdiction
when your
to
chief,
allow video conferencing.
Sir.
How can we quote Justice Kannan's judgment when it does not pertain to the matter at hand?
So I'll quote.
Because it has been
I'll
dealt
quote
by
what the
another
court
judge.
said.
It has
The
been
court
duly
said.
settled.
The court.
I'll give you a copy of the judgment.
You see, I'll tell you what the court is there in the court. Please listen to me, please, Dr. Aditya. Don't speak. Listen. Explain the facts.
This is not
when
the judgment.
when
This is not
when
that
when the
judgment.
rock
I will
star,
give you
love
the
guru,
judgment.
love charger, whatever Baba, love charger Baba skips the court appearance for the murder and rape case on November 23rd, 2014. Then, while hearing the fresh petition against Ram Rahim on November 14th, the bench of Justice K. Kannan, besides issuing the notice to the Haryana government, observes, and I quote, "The courts are not run by Babas. What do they think of themselves? Demigods?" And the court says even Lord Krishna had to spend some time behind bars. The courts are run by judges, not by Babas. And I'm asking this question today that just because you got political support, you think they get away with it? Love charger Babas will get away
This
with
was
it?
the
Come on, don't
observations.
ridicule
This was
this.
the oral observations of the court. We already have a judgment on board.
So
by
now
which
you
exemption
agree.
has been
No,
granted
now you
to
agree. You
the
were just
313
contradicting me
case.
some time back.
Guruji, to appear by video conference, it is another judgment by the Honorable High Court. and
Sanjay
the-
Hegde is
what
coming
you
in.
are citing
Sanjay
is the
Hegde is
observations
saying
of the High
something.
Court in another matter and not this matter.
Arnab, no exemption can be granted until somebody asks for it. I find it rather amusing that somebody who has supernatural powers almost, because of one incident, decides that he is not going to come, but he is going to manifest himself. He is going to manifest himself only through video conferencing. Only through video conferencing. He is going to come and
there were several attempts on Guruji's life. One was there in Nirmal Lifestyle Mall in Mumbai. Another was there in Ghukiawali. The third was there in Nilokheri. And there were a couple of others.
Arey, 1 second, please. You know, these Babas, somebody is to take on the Babas.
have been caught by the government.
You
Allow me
ask
to
the youth of
complete.
this country what they think about. Satyapal Jain, क्या हुआ? Is this India first or Baba first? First of all, let the BJP tell me. ये promise किया था आपने कि बाबा फर्स्ट गवर्नमेंट चलाएंगे.
Baba first. India is recognized with the name of Hinduism and Babagiri.
What are you saying? With it, what again you bring the Hinduism angle?
Clear. We believe in the rule of law. Any person may
There
be
can
any
be Muslim Babas as well.
howsoever high he or she
So you are
may
not
be,
talking, you
law
are not
will take
taking any
its
single
own
name of
course.
Muslim person
India
at here.
first.
Why
There
you are
is no
talking?
question
It's
not a
of
Hindu-Muslim
any
affair.
or any
It's not a
Sant or
Hindu-Muslim
anybody else
affair.
coming first. I'm
Yes,
sorry.
there can be Baba.
Today
Sai
unnecessarily you
Baba.
are blaming the BJP for certain things done either by the Congress government at the center or the Congress government in the Haryana. We came to power only 2 months back. What have we done? In our government,
What have you done exactly? But you took their support. No, you went and said
full cooperation to CBI.
1 second. On the 13th of October, before the Haryana elections, the political wing of Dera Sacha Sauda decided to extend support to the BJP in all 90 assembly constituencies of Haryana. We will extend support to the BJP candidates in Haryana on all seats. We have considerable following pan-India. We have decided to extend support to the BJP in Maharashtra also. So, earlier Asaram supports you. Asaram supports you. Asaram supports you.
Lok Sabha, Vidhan Sabha.
This
I was
Baba
myself
supports
a
you.
candidate from Chandigarh and the Dera had announced its support to the Congress. So simply because one time they did not support the Congress, so you will like to bring
And you give him Z category security.
Since they announced this support,
And he has Z category security.
Very unfortunate. Very unfortunate.
Do you give him Z category security?
Starting with a
Arnab, you have to allow me
You
to
give him
answer
Z
my-
category
That's
security.
what I
In case of rape, murder and forced castration
Arnab, you have
charges,
to allow
you
me
give
to
him
answer
Z
Z
category
category
security
security.
also on top of it. I mean, what is this
all
going on
will be
here?
investigated by the CBI.
Now, why the heck you have to explain that there are intelligence bureau intercepts of cross-border activity? There are IB intercepts of ISI getting involved in going hammer and tongs against Guruji. There are terror formations that are working against Guruji.
What
there
is-
are 10
no, no, one
consignments
second.
of
Dr.
AK-47
Aditya.
RDX against us. There are multiple attacks. Allow
But
me to
Dr. Aditya,
explain.
what does that have to do? What does
Because
that
of
have
all
to do
this-
with the rape, murder and castration charges? Please tell me.
Exactly. I have to elaborate on this.
What's Indira Tiwari, I think, wants to say something here.
Lady,
No,
allow me to
Indira
answer.
Tiwari wants to say something here. Please, yes, Indira
allow me
Tiwari.
to-
इंदिरा तिवारी कुछ कहना चाहती है, उनको आने दीजिए. इंदिरा तिवारी, please. Dr. Indira Tiwari, General Secretary of the Hindu Mahasabha, is saying something here. Please listen to her.
Making false allegations or engineering and orchestrating false allegations is small change. They can easily do that with their authority and with their interest and their linkage.
Sir, there is a CBI. There is a
brand of communal politics. They can always do that.
Question to me. Let me answer him.
Yes,
Let
go
me
ahead,
answer
Dr.
him.
Tiwari.
My learned friend, hello, Arnav, how are you?
I'm well.
But you know, sometimes I feel that you are too arrogant and you do not allow panelists to speak their voice. Even in parliament, allow the opportunity to speak up their mind, and this is the freedom of speech, you know, granted by Constitution. My learned friend Hegde must agree with me.
Make your point.
What
Make
I'm
your
just
point, Dr.
asking with
Tiwari.
My learned. Yes, I'm coming to the point. I would just ask, you had been shouting louder than the voice that so many charges have been labelled. The Constitution and the CRPC clearly states until and unless anybody, even an accused, is not proved guilty, you cannot hang or you cannot be judgmental. So my opinion only to this extent is that if there is anything which has been ordered by High Court of Chandigarh or Haryana, whatever it is, I'm not very well aware because the entire legal facts are not before me. Therefore, I find myself unable to comment on that.
That is my
but
We've
Mr.
started
Aditya,
without
please
putting
let me speak. I'm speaking now, okay? What I'm saying is, until and unless whatever the charges, maybe 100, maybe 1,000 charges are leveled against anybody, be it Baba, be it father, be it pastors, be it Maulvi, be it anybody from any corner of the country. But until and unless that charges are proved to be correct, we have no authority to make anybody accused. That is my very humble request, and I believe the panelists and you will
Dr.
agree.
Tiwari,
So
Dr. Tiwari,
let us wait
Dr.
for the
Tiwari.
investigation.
No, Dr. Tiwari. First of all, no. You may. Let me counter you on one thing. No, I'm saying something, Dr. Tiwari.
The rights, the constitutional rights.
This is not the way. This is not the way he is addressing me. I'm capable to answer, Arno.
You're capable to answer me. This is a democracy, and let me tell you, sometimes we have better debates here. We actually allow the debates to happen. We don't have walkouts as many times as there are in Parliament. Now, the question here is, Dr. Tiwari, you make an important point. You say the person has not been held guilty, and so does Gurmeet Ram Rahim, spokesperson on the program. So he's not guilty. I would like to invite both your attention to two things. One, the Congress and the BJP have had strong associations with him. One. Secondly, the Congress and the BJP have run the state government. Third,
association with him.
Third, listen to me, Satyapal Jain, why are you getting excited? The third is, the High Court has slammed the state government's actions. You know what the High Court has said? The High Court has said, and I quote, the state police has done no credit to itself by allowing grass to grow under its feet and nibbling at the periphery and conducting an investigation which is worthless. You understand? And it goes on to say, and I quote, High Court goes on to say the clout that a person enjoys with patronage lying outside spiritual circles can make even a powerful police go limp. So what the High Court is saying is that because a person has clout, you cannot go slow. And by the way, these charges cannot go on for so long. In which period he also does not make a single instance, not once does he come to court.
One thing. May I just clarify one thing?
That's what I'm saying.
Arnab, the reason is this.
Let one of you at a time. Dr. Tiwari is responding.
On one way.
6th of October. Why are you blaming the BJP?
Sir,
All
because...
these persons
Okay, why am I blaming the BJP? A hand goes up. Maheshinder, Manjeet Singh GK.
Arnab, we are talking Babas here. We are talking about the unnatural power that these people who claim to be men of God have over courts, over institutions, over the police.
Yes,
what
simple.
really is required is, irrespective of politics,
We are facing the
please
music for the
render
last
unto
13 years.
Caesar what
Dr. Aditya Insan. Dr. Aditya Insan is responding. Let him. No, let Dr. Insan respond to you. Dr. Insan, please let me moderate this. Dr. Insan is responding. Let him. Let Dr.
When we
Insan.
read the judgment of the Honorable Judge Mr. Hegde, you are a very senior lawyer. Why were you blaming BJP in your opening remarks? All these expressions are.
I am saying not
Yes,
Congress,
yes,
not
about the
BJP.
BJP.
I am not saying
I was
Congress
the
or
political
BJP.
angle to
Kindly
this
read the
topic.
judgment.
I am
got a
saying
copy
not
with me.
Congress, not BJP. Let us discuss Babas. Let us discuss
Why Babas? Why Babas? Why Babas? No, no. Why
Babas
Babas?
of Hindu,
No, 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 no.
Hindu, Sikh, Christian, any
Yes,
kind of
yes,
Babas.
yes, yes, yes.
All
Don't
Babas.
use this
Let
word
us-
Baba.
Christians
No,
only.
don't use this word
We are
Baba.
not the
Baba
soft
is
target
not
in this
religious
country now.
space.
Everybody, even those
Okay,
who
Godman,
were responsible
let
for
us-
conversion
wait.
also. No.
Let's talk Godman. Let us talk Godman.
No.
Let us talk Godman.
You're not allowed to pass such a sweeping
Arnav,
comment
Let
on
us
Babas
talk
only.
Godman. Let
Godman? Godman is okay.
Republic of India.
That's not, it's not a religion specific issue.
Is Godman okay?
It's not a Hindu issue.
Okay, why you are
Okay, now
talking
let us
this?
talk
Yes,
Godman.
Pandit Ajay Gautam. Pandit Ajay Gautam is saying something. I actually wanted Dr. Aditya to respond to my question.
Why?
No,
Because
that's
for the
wrong.
last
That's
60
wrong.
years-
First of all, don't speak at all at one time. Okay, 1 second, please. Will you please stop for a minute, all of you there in the Delhi? Will you give me 1 minute, please?
Talk about the Maulvi.
Dr. Gautam. Now, I'll moderate this. I'll moderate this. I first want Dr. Gautam to respond. After that, others will come in. Yes, Dr. Gautam, make your point.
I said, in the premises of Honorable Supreme Court, when the precipitation of some person, I forget the name of then Honorable Supreme Court denied that there is a lot of persons said about the Honorable, our former Prime Minister, कि if the Supreme Court not grant, उसको माफ नहीं करेंगे, then we will take him in the Harminder Sahib. For we called him from the Kal Takht. Then nobody can raise the issue.
What are you talking
You are
about?
targeting
Nothing like
each
this
and
has
every
ever
issue the
happened.
Hindu sadhu sants only.
Nothing like this has happened. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This gentleman.
Where Maulvi raped more than 30 women in a
Give
madrasa, then nobody
give
can raise his
particulars.
voice. Then a father raped and matlab, so many nuns in Kerala, nobody
he
can
is-
raise his voice. When something
There
is
has
happened,
never
and
been
the
any
the sadhu
particular
sants
name
only
which
you are
this
targeting us.
gentleman is
Sometime on the
referring
Project
to.
Baba, sometime on the different Baba.
You know, first of all, I think, may I please, no, Pandit Ajay Gautam. Pandit Ajay Gautam, 1 minute. Pandit Gautam, मेरी बात सुनिए. Pandit Gautam, मेरी बात सुनिए. Pandit Gautam, मेरी बात सुनिए, please. You see, I'm telling you, you and Indira Tiwari, who says that I'm very undemocratic, let her also say what she wants. Fact is, both of you have completely got the issue wrong. I'm saying tonight, whether that frozen Baba is a Hindu Baba, Muslim Baba, Christian Baba, Sikh Baba, whether the love charger Baba is a Hindu Baba, Sikh Baba, Christian Baba, Muslim Baba, this country is run by a sleaze Baba, a frozen Baba, a love charger Baba. I mean, what do you want this country to be? If I open the phone lines, I ask the educated young people in this country कि ये देश में ये बाबा country बनेगा कि देश आगे बढ़ेगा? आपको लगता है ये love charger Baba जैसे लोग देश को आगे ले जाएंगे? और पॉलिटिकल विल है तो दिखाइए. पॉलिटिकल विल है तो दिखाइए.
सोसाइटी दे आर फाइटिंग अगेंस्ट द so many social
आपने इस देश को आगे ले जा सकते हैं, गुरुजी ही इस देश
One
को
second,
आगे ले जाएंगे।
who's responding?
Preconceived notion के साथ pre-judgmental हो गए।
Who's responding? One at a time. No, one at a time. Okay. Aditya, Dr. Aditya is responding. Dr. Aditya. Dr. Aditya. Dr. Aditya.
Yeah, Arnab, thank you. Allow me to answer. See, we have to put certain facts in perspective. You've talked about the various allegations. Let me tell you very quickly that in one of the cases, the closure report of the CBI has said that it is a political conspiracy originating in Punjab.
Political conspiracy by whom?
From Amar Ujala. Allow me to speak. Please allow me to speak.
Whose
I have a
political
democratic
conspiracy?
right on this forum to speak, which is why I'm here.
It's Akali
The
Dal.
report of the
Akali
CBI
Dal.
has said this, I'm not
Akali
saying
Dal
this. The
political
supplementary
conspiracy.
report of the Sessions Judge has already said
It's an
that there is a
Akali Dal
political conspiracy
behind the
underway
picture.
against the Dera. It said
Akali
this
Dal.
long ago. The former Minister of State for Home,
And
ID
all
Sami, has
the
gone on
TV
record
channels
saying
are
that there's a
responsible
conspiracy against the Dera.
in promoting
In view of all these
so-called
facts
Babas who
and the
have
fact that we are
moved
primarily
over.
a major
Now you want to
de-addiction
fix.
organization that is responsible for saving the lives of 50 million plus people that have gone off drugs, and the fact that North India, some parts of North India, wherein there is a big truck between local regional politicians and the drug mafia, they have an interest in keeping us in check because of the subterranean conflict that is being played out. And that de facto is the reason, which is why there are ridiculous charges like the dress controversy. Now, while a lot of hue and cry is raised when those controversies are thrust upon us, for instance, the dress controversy, the Honorable Sessions Court in Bathinda said that there was no wrong intent, one, and by no stretch
Sir,
of
how is
imagination
this?
could be said
Sir,
that any
sir, how
dress
is
similar
this?
to any
Sir,
other
you
had
are
been
saying
worn.
no, you
Allow
are
me
saying
to
it's a
speak.
political
Once these-
conspiracy. One
I'm
minute,
saying
no,
that
one
once
second,
these
Dr. Aditya,
conspiracies-
Dr.
What
Aditya.
I'm saying is,
How does
Yeah,
fine?
everything-
allow me to
everything
complete
is
this
playing
sentence.
round
you are
One
saying
sentence.
Everything.
I'm saying that when these conspiracies fall by the wayside, nobody takes the trouble to even report that. And once these allegations are made, there is so much hue and cry without understanding that for things like de-addiction, for bringing about things like communal amity, this is the price that the Dera Sacha Sauda is paying to actually strengthen the social fabric of India. To actually
Oh,
bring
so
down
all these
recognition.
people, no, you are saying,
What
you
is
know, one
wrong?
second,
And
what
you're
you're saying,
doing
Dr.
this all the
Aditya,
time.
Dr. Aditya, now the Akali Dal will respond to you. What you're saying is that the people accusing the Baba of rape, of murder,
Akalis.
and of castration are Akali Dal spies. One second. GK Manjeet Singh and then Maheshender Singh Grewal will respond to you,
Did I
Mr.
say
Manjeet
that?
Singh. Manjeet Singh first. Manjeet Singh.
Did I say that?
I think the
Well, I mean, you
Dera
suggested
Sacha
that.
Sauda or the so-called Baba needs to answer the charges put against him. It is the murder of Chhatrapati. It is murder of Ranjit Singh. It is the castration of 400 people, and it is the illegal army which they are maintaining. I think these charges are not put by any Akali leader. Akali Dal is not in the picture anywhere. He is the fellow who imitated our 10th Guru, and that also created law and order situation. My point is
Committing
here, Arnab,
contempt of court when you
what
say that,
India is
Mr.
a young
Manjendra, you're
country.
committing
What kind
contempt of
of
court.
role
The
models
judgment
we
is
are
cleared us
putting
of all these
before our
charges.
young
Don't be ridiculous.
India, that a person who is involved in murder, a person who is involved in rape, a person who is involved in other heinous crimes,
This is all
he is being
prejudice
shown as
coming.
a
This is
role
all
model.
prejudice
He is
statements.
selling tickets on premium. Is this country, the young India wants
Mr.
to see
Sirsa,
these kind of people
Mr. Sirsa,
who are
if you say that he's involved in murder and rape,
with the
I will
heinous
haul you to
crimes,
court.
they are
How
being
dare you?
projected
Just
as
hold
role
your
models.
tongue.
I
No,
think
no, no,
this
I will
needs
not
to
have
be
any
stopped.
more of these ridiculous
This needs
statements.
to be stopped. Arnab, it is not the question of Akali Dal. It is not the question of BJP. It is not the question of religion. I think it is not Hindu Baba, Sikh Baba. It is if a person is a culprit,
his own minister is in the
and who
dock.
is
How
giving
dare
them
he?
extra...
First of all, one second.
Committing
Manjeet
contempt
Singh
of
GK.
court.
Manjeet Singh GK, 1 minute. I make a point here. What is the point I'm making? I'm making a point. I'm questioning Dr. Aditya. I'm saying, how does he not appear in court? Why does it take so much time? But I'm not saying that he is, I'm saying he's accused. I'm not saying he's convicted of rape. He's accused of rape, accused of murder, accused of castration, right? Now, there's a qualified difference between what I'm saying and what you're saying. No, 1 minute.
Running the parallel courts.
1 minute.
Constitution.
May Pandit Ajay Gautam, we have every right to debate the subject. We are not passing judgment here. Please, now these people are saying, my question to Dr. Aditya Insan is this. Dr. Aditya, 1 minute. Dr. Aditya, you said right now, right? And I'll get Maheshender Singh Grewal, who's an advisor to the Punjab Chief Minister, on the other side. You are saying, Dr. Aditya, that this is a political conspiracy, right? You say all the charges are a political conspiracy?
This is a...
Right, you also say that, Dr. Indira? 1 minute. Dr. Indira, both of you are saying it's a political conspiracy, right? 1 minute.
Yes,
so,
it is
can
a
I please
political
have on the screen?
conspiracy.
One sec. Can I please have on the screen?
No, but I'll go one step ahead. I'll go one step ahead also, that these so-called, though I have very personal differences between Babas, there is a very thin demarcation between Baba and real enlightened soul, right? But so far as if they are doing something good to the society, which the duty should have been executed by the then government or the current government, then it is a shame on the judiciary and on the government if they are unable to impart their duties and had been executed by anybody, whomsoever is having. See, the followers, they are not Badhua Majdoor, right? They are not.
That is the-
What do you mean, Bandhua Majdoor?
Let me complete.
That is the point.
Badhua means
Exactly.
forcefully. You cannot make follower
That
So
is
can you
exactly the
castrate
point,
them?
Arnab, that
Can you
because
castrate
of
them?
These Babas.
Can you castrate them?
No,
This
way.
particular petitioner, was medically tested.
Making that allegation.
He was medically tested. It was found that he had been castrated. No, 1 second. He had been castrated or not?
Years ago.
No,
He had left the data 3 years ago.
But was he castrated or not?
On television, he was eulogizing Guruji.
1 second.
He made the allegation.
I'd like to make one point. I would like to make one point here.
The investigation.
No, was he castrated or not? 1 second. Dr. Aditya, was he castrated or not?
Guruji, 5 days before he made the allegations.
If
Was he
that is
castrated
true,
or not?
should be-
Absolutely
then
false.
he should be punished.
This is
Was he castrated or not?
the data. This is absolutely. This
Doc-
is absolutely false, frivolous, and baseless. He was eulogizing Guruji 5 days before he made the charges.
That is what you're saying.
He was singing praises of Guruji.
You see,
I have given you the evidence. I've already mailed the evidence. I've already mailed the evidence to your assignment.
1 second. Dr. Aditya and Indira Tiwari, where are? No, 1 second. Both of you just come. First of all, Dr. Mr. Dr. Aditya Insan and Indira Tiwari, will you give me a minute? Will you give me a minute? Have you read the order of the High Court? The petitioner has claimed that the castration.
I would like to clarify one point here.
Will you hear me?
I would like to clarify.
Will you hear me, both of you?
The order of the
I
High
know.
Court could be quashed
have
by the
not
Supreme
placed
Court
before me
tomorrow.
yet.
What are you going to say?
Now, Dr. Indira Tiwari, who's not letting me
I know
speak?
what I'm saying.
Who's not letting me speak? Who's being undemocratic
The
now?
highest court in the land. Can we not tomorrow go to? Have we forfeited our right to go
I
to the
know.
Supreme Court and have the wrong redressed? If there is
Can I read out something, Dr. Aditya? Will you let me? Are you being democratic here, Dr. Aditya and Dr. Indira Tiwari? Both of you, are you being democratic here for a minute? Let me speak. Let me speak. Both of you on both sides can't go ballistic and not let me speak. 1 second. Please understand, Dr. Aditya, and please understand, Dr. Indira. The High Court, there's an order of the High Court. The petitioner has claimed that the castrations were conducted on the pretext that they would lead to God. A. Second, the person has been medically examined and it was found that castration can't be ruled out. Now, even if you haven't forced these people to undergo castration, I don't know, are you saying somebody gets himself voluntarily castrated? The High Court has said, and I quote, emasculation of a normal human being amounts to torture. No doctor or spiritual guru can take the willingness of a person to be subjected to removal of testicles coming within the expected line of defense under violent, non-fit injury. Emasculation for a normal human being is torture. What the High Court has said, a doctor can never defend the action of a person who seeks for removal of his testicles on a plea that the patient said he wanted to reach or see God. And by the way, the Indian Constitution says development of a scientific temper is a fundamental duty. Superstitions are supernatural anathema. So even if you claim that a person has voluntarily undergone castrations as a mean to get closer to God, the act itself of castration is unconstitutional.
I will like to.
It's unconstitutional.
Absolutely.
I agree.
It's torture.
That he left the data 3 years before he made the allegations.
Yes, and it
5 days
cannot
before.
be.
So you're saying he's lying?
Permit me to make a
He's
point
lying, so
here.
you're saying he's lying?
That's one point.
By
Without
any
intervening 3 years. For that, the petitioner has to answer and not the data. For 3 years, he was
petitioner has
There is a
been
CBI
believed
followed
by the High
investigation.
Court.
in the interim.
See, what I'm saying is
Petitioner
tomorrow.
has been believed by the High Court. That's
Mr.
point one.
That does
Mr.
not.
That
Goswami.
is point one.
May I just
High
clarify
Court
one
only,
point
High
here?
Court only ordered the inquiry. High Court only ordered the inquiry. He
The High
didn't
Court has-
make the guilty.
The High Court has, on a
He
prima
didn't find the
facie view,
guilty of Ram
ordered an
Rahim.
inquiry.
He only ordered an inquiry. Let us
is going
inquiry have
on.
been conducted.
I'm trying
But
to
what
bring
I
out
find
certain-
Let us
shocking-
inquiry has been conducted. Why you are making the prejudices?
I am saying only one thing. I am saying one thing. Pandit Ajay Gautam, can you listen to me? Pandit Ajay Gautam, today all of you are just, because all of you are sitting in the Delhi studio, all of you are speaking together. I'm trying my best to moderate this discussion. Have some pity, please. I may not be a follower of the Baba. I deserve to speak as well. I may not be a,
Kindly give 1
Please,
minute to
1
me
second.
also.
1 second.
Mr. Goswami, kindly give 1 minute to me also.
I will give you more than 1 minute now. Please, all of you, just hear me for a minute.
have
1
a great
second.
following than any
1
other
second.
Baba.
The question is this. The question is this. The question which has not been addressed so far is the question of a political conspiracy. Maheshinder Singh Grewal. Today, many people on this panel are suggesting this is a political conspiracy conducted by the Akali Dal. In fact, Dr. Aditya, who's a spokesperson of the Dera Sacha Sauda, says that because...
Did I say the Akali Dal? Did I say the Akali Dal?
Then who?
I never said
Then
that.
who?
What I did
Be
say-
direct. Who?
No.
Congress,
Allow me
BJP,
to- allow me
Aam
to
Aadmi
speak.
Party,
I
who?
said
Who?
There are local regional. No. I'm saying. All that I'm saying is I reiterate and repeat what I said.
Political pundits.
There are local regional
Like you.
political forces in cahoots with
Loco
the drug
regional?
mafia that
What
are
do you
doing
mean
this.
loco
I
regional?
did not name any. Yes,
What do you mean loco regional?
I have said.
Dr.
what I wanted
Dr.
to say.
Indira mentioned
I'm not-
Akali Dal.
You cannot put words into my
But
mouth.
Dr. Indira mentioned Akali Dal.
I did.
That is what she mentioned.
She mentioned the Akali Dal.
I did.
Does Dr. Insan agree with it or not?
Do you
Does he
agree with it or not?
Does he agree with me, Dr. Indira or not?
Do you agree with
think
Dr.
The
Indira?
writing is now on the wall. I mean,
No, do you agree with
the
Dr.
writing is now on the
Indira?
wall, but I,
You do. Okay, fine. Maheshinder Singh
Hello.
Grewal.
Political gambit is
The
changing
Hello.
throughout
On the wall.
the country.
Maheshinder Singh Grewal has not spoken.
Closing your
We are
eyes,
40
please,
minutes
shut
into
it,
the
you're reading
debate.
it.
He has to speak. Maheshinder Singh Grewal, is there a
Hello.
conspiracy against Dera Sacha Sauda
hello.
chief Gurmeet Ram Rahim Insan?
Arnab, one thing is very clear. If they think that Akalis have promoted the persons who are aggrieved by his actions, I think it's very unwise on their part. The Akali Dal and the Sikhs in general did object to his style of functioning when he tried to copy Guru Gobind Singh, and there was a big resentment in Punjab. But I must say that these cases pertain much before the time when the Akalis were not even in power in the Punjab. So blaming the Akalis for their own wrongs cannot justify their actions. And other thing I want to tell, that Akali Dal believes in the rule of law. Whosoever he or she may be should never treat himself above the law.
Who? Like
But
who?
The way they are trying to justify that he should be above the that he should be above the law, I think this is totally unjustified.
No,
the
nobody is above the
Constitution
law.
of India provides
Nobody is above
that
the law.
equality before law for
Nobody.
everybody.
Nobody is above the law. Very
No,
clear.
nobody
We are
is
very
above
clear.
the law.
Nobody is above
If
the law.
people who
Nobody.
nobody is above the nobody.
And
is-
your leader, let me
And I
remind,
think
sir, let me remind. Was it the Akali Dal who torn off the Constitution of India? That time you were above the law or not? May I remind you those incidents?
Dr. Indra, I think you have you are not balanced in that way. If you are trying to act, that issue was entirely different. How you can justify that some person against whom he may be
I mean, if the issue
innocent
is
after
different,
the
you can
trial?
justify the tearing
But
up
when
of the
the
Constitution.
trial
Torning
Brilliant.
of the
Charges.
Constitution
Thank
is
you.
justified or
Appreciate
not?
that.
Just answer me. Answer me.
How-
Tearing off the
how-
Constitution
how-
is justified or not?
Don't try
Now
to
you are-
derail
you are bringing- you are bringing something else to-
Don't try to derail the issue. Don't try to derail the issue. The issue is whether an individual, whosoever he or she may be, treat himself above the law. The answer is no. One has to face the court of law as procedure provided in the Criminal Procedure Code Act. If the chief ministers can go to the court, if the central ministers can go to the court.
Maheshinder
I
Singh
know only one
go to the extent of aiding and abetting the
ruling
forces from across the
party
border that are driving the
runs
drug
on
syndicate in Punjab. These
suitability
forces
to their
want to
interest.
ensure
As long as
don't-
they
don't-
are,
the rivers of
they
don't
can go
try-
with the power.
don't try to cover your-
Nothing is wrong, even if it is
Don't try to cover your actions by leveling allegation on others.
Possible.
No, on the one side we have allegations of rape. No, 1 second. Dr. Aditya, 1 minute. Dr. Aditya, I think we should deal with both issues separately.
Office bearers have been caught with heroin.
Dr. Aditya, I think we should deal with both issues separately. On the one side, we have allegations of rape, murder, sexual assault, and forcible castration. Now, if you are saying that all these issues should be kept aside because the person in question is carrying out a crusade against narcotics and against drugs in Punjab, I don't see the link between the two. Anybody can be. Tomorrow a person can say, I'm the biggest crusader against drugs. Does that allow you to get away with charges of rape, murder, castration and sexual assault?
If he's found guilty,
We are not getting
let
away
the
with those charges.
judiciary
We are
take its
facing
own
trials.
course.
Then why are you dragging?
Now allow
Let
me
us
to
wait
explain.
for that.
Arnab, I would like to draw your attention to
Nobody
the
is saying
fact
that
that
if
this
you are
boxer
doing
Vijender
something
faced the
good,
media's
then you
music
cannot be accused
for
of any
months
offense
on
also.
end.
Let
And
me
the
just
story that
clarify
turned out
one thing
in the end was that
Let
it
me
was
just
a
clarify
protege
one
of a
thing
particular
here.
political party.
There are-
It was a protege of a
all of
particular
you are
system.
talking
Jagdish Bhola, who was being shielded all this while when the media was going hammer and tongs after the poor boxer Vijender, who ultimately landed up with a medal in the Commonwealth Games. So all these things are happening all the time. Even the
Sir,
media
I am
gets
asking you if
misdirected
what's
and
is
goes
he
after the wrong people.
no 1 second
This happens.
is the love charger Baba a reincarnation of
Do
God?
not blame all these things.
1 second, and if he is a reincarnation of God,
You are
why doesn't he appear in court?
He has said he has always appeared in court. You are committing contempt
He has
of
sought
court for making
exemption
that
from
statement,
personal
Arnab.
appearance
He has
on
always-
medical grounds for the murder case against him.
No.
So that is the judicial.
Yes, and in fact, no,
incompetency on the
Not at
judicial
all.
process.
then how did he find if he's
That is
no
a
no 1
judicial
second?
instance.
So if he is not well,
On
Dr.
a few
Indira,
given
please tell
instances,
me
he has
if
taken
he is not
permission from court
well.
not to
My
appear.
question is
that there's a permanent exemption.
My question is, if he is not well, no, 1 second. If he is not well, 1 second. I'll show pictures of that film, please. 1 second. Can I play an excerpt of that song? And let us have them on. The Love Charger song, right? This is a man who says I'm not well. Now, if he is not well,
There's another song you can play.
once I'll play this song.
on YouTube.
I'll tell you one thing, don't fool the people. If he's not well, how does he have time to shoot for this song? Look at this song. Look at this is the Love Charger, Baba. We're
You
talking.
must remember, Mr. Chok.
कोई कहता है गुरु You are the love charger. You are the love charger. You are the love charger.
Okay. All right, now my question is, does he look unwell to you, Dr. Indira? Does he look unwell to you?
I'm not-
Is he unwell? Why can't he appear in court? No, why can't he appear in court?
Let me answer.
Yeah, tell me, why doesn't he? Why can't he appear in court? He can shoot a film on himself. Why can't he appear in court?
Anybody.
Why can't he appear in court?
No, the
This
issue, so
particular-
long as the
sequence
issue
has got nothing to do with
related
Guruji's
to
exemption
constitution is
on a
there,
given particular date.
everybody, irrespective
Please.
of their clout and irrespective
No,
of their presence, they must respect the constitutional authority.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry,
If
Pandit
he has
Ajay
been
Gautam.
summoned, he should have.
No, Pandit Ajay Gautam.
But if he has sought
I said
exemption,
what-
no.
I
But
said-
if he
I
has
said-
sought exemption,
Court
if
gives
he
the
has sought
exemption to him.
exemption, that
No
is
accused
incumbent
under the
upon the judiciary,
judicial
not
system
on
can
any,
stay
or
on
not on
the court
the
and
accused.
face trial. This is not possible.
No, if he has sought exemption and the exemption has been granted by judiciary, then it is incumbent
I will
upon
produce
the
that order of the
judiciary,
High Court.
not on the accused.
You tell me, no, 1 second. Did his lawyers seek exemption on medical grounds or not?
If they have done
And from that video, does he look unwell? Is he unwell? I mean, what is this? This is absurd.
No.
This is absurd.
The exemption-
Does he look
I know,
unwell?
I
Manjeet
know,
Singh, does he
I
look
know.
unwell? Manjeet Singh, does he look unwell?
You cannot make a one-off.
I think he looks like a Superman.
What is the
You
role
are trying
of
to
this
mislead and bamboozle your viewers.
It is an
I'm asking you when he failed to turn up before the local district court where he was to appear before a special CBI court, Panchkula, through video conference and in 2 murder cases and a rape case. His lawyer sought his exemption from a personal appearance on medical grounds.
This is a procedure of law. which is-
At that time, he was shooting a movie.
And
Nobody
he
is
must
holding
have
the law.
At that time, he's shooting a film.
When they give the liberty to the Puralia accused and they far away
No,
from
You have
the court.
established that the court has given the
That-
He
permission.
should have appeared.
The court has given the
provided
permission.
Circuit United.
Fine.
The medical certificate has been produced.
Then
and
how
all
can
this
you
is being
question?
done
How
in the
can
due
you
process.
question him?
How can you-
I leave this. One second, please. 1 second. Sanjay Hegde.
Can I answer the legal
Sanjay Hegde, yes.
Answer the legal point. See, You must remember that when Mr. Chautala got bail and then turned up at some political rally, his bail got cancelled.
Exactly. Exactly.
Exemption has, if exemption has
exactly,
been
that's
sought,
what I'm also
if-
saying.
Let Mr. Hegde go and argue.
Here is a person who's making a big screen debut. Fine. People should watch this. Please watch what's going on.
Do you believe in a one judicial system? And my simple question is that, do you believe in a one judicial system?
Yes, I do. I believe in it as much or maybe more than you.
Judicial system in our country.
Yes, I do. All I'm saying is, please understand one thing. Please understand, I'm asking a very simple question, and please have an open mind, Dr. Aditya. He has never appeared personally in court for rape, for murder, for castration accusations. He is ready to make his big screen debut with a movie with the tagline, "Meet the only braveheart saint of India." What saint of India promotes seeking personal exemption after personal exemption in court? If he is so sick, how is it that he shot an entire movie? But he's completed shooting the sequel of the movie that hasn't yet been released. I mean, what are we talking about? And if this is going to happen in our country, then okay, fair, so be it. So be it.
Chronic year-long exception.
Is he sick? Is he sick? Is he sick?
These have been stray exemptions.
Is he unwell?
Stray exemptions.
Is this man unwell?
Which has happened on particular dates.
Is he unwell?
This with a chronic long-term.
Does he look unwell to you? Is he unwell?
On those given dates.
A man who sings like that, is he unwell?
Doctors who are not data followers, they have been examined by the best doctors.
Fine, I said,
On those
okay,
given
Satyapal
dates.
Jain.
But that does not mean that he has.
Satyapal Jain, this is what is happening in our country. Satyapal Jain?
No, I like to.
Yeah, Satyapal Jain, you took his support for the elections. Now I want to hear you speak.
I don't have to cite.
Nobody is above law.
Yeah.
If he was supposed to appear in the court, he must have appeared. This is a country where the
Personal
President of India,
appearance.
Mr. B.B. Giri, Prime Minister Mrs. Gandhi appeared in the court to
But if the judges
reply to the
are
charges
judging
against them.
him,
Even B.B.
who
Giri
is
had
that
appeared in
one?
Supreme
Tell
Court in an election petition against him. We want to make
Everybody
two
should
things very
appear.
clear. You have been
Everybody should
putting that title, why is BJP quiet?
Yeah, why is the BJP quiet? I'm asking you, are you quiet because you have taken his support? Are you quiet because he took your support?
We believe in the rule of law. Law will prevail. Howsoever high any person he or she may be, law will be prevalent. We believe in the rule of law. We have full faith in the Constitution of India. Nobody will be allowed to violate law. We will give full cooperation to the CBI. Having said that, I would like to make one thing more also. In the garb of, or because of 2-3 Babas having these type of serious
2-3 Babas? Frozen Baba, Sleaze Baba,
all the saints.
Riot
There
Baba,
are thousands of,
Love Charger
there are
Baba.
thousands of saints.
How many
Jain
more
saints,
Babas will-
Sikh sons,
Parliament
Arya
members
Samaji
for the
sons,
Babas. Who is the
Rama Krishna
Babas?
Mission, even
Baba is
Muslim
the face
Christian
of our
sons,
country.
given their whole life for the welfare of the society. Kindly don't blame all these saints because 4, 5, 6 or 8 of them have allegation against them. I know Jain saints who move from one place to another have no property. Similarly, Sant Sichewal, maybe saints, Ramakrishna Mission Ashram, Arya Samajis, who are doing to the welfare of the society.
Am I
to the
questioning
best of
people
their
who do a good job?
Please don't blame all the saints.
I am
Please
saying,
don't
I am
blame all
saying,
the
I am
saints
saying
because
that
there are
please come
allegations
down to earth.
against 8,
That's
10 of
what
them.
we are objecting. That's
Arnab,
what
I
we
want
are
to make one very
objecting,
simple
that
point.
Parliament
Here is one
every Baba.
organization, here is one guru who has motivated 65,000 people to donate their kidneys while living. Here is one guru
That doesn't
who has
answer my question.
motivated
That doesn't answer my question.
cause in blood donation.
That doesn't answer my question. That's not my question.
He has inspired 10,000
That doesn't answer my question.
No figure in the history of mankind.
Dr.
who has
Aditya,
done
you're
half
not
that work.
answering
He
my
inspired
question.
people to go and marry
Manjeet Singh,
prostitutes. And you are saying that because he's doing all these things, these are just a cover for his nefarious designs and he's not a saint.
I didn't say you're saying it. I'm asking questions.
What are you living in?
I'm asking questions today. Manjeet Singh wants to say something. Manjeet Singh and Maheshinder Singh Grewal. Please, Manjeet Singh and Maheshinder Singh Grewal have spoken little. Manjeet Singh. Manjeet Singh.
Why is he afraid of facing the court?
A part of that same
If he's doing so good to the
Government
society,
failed to abide
why
this
is he
duty,
afraid
and
of
our
going to the
sadhu and
court?
saints come
I
before the
think he
society
should
and
go
take-
to the
and
court
take the
and prove
responsibility
himself
and
not
free them.
guilty
Then what
and
is the
should
harm
not
in all
evade
these
the
things?
court.
gentleman
If he has
is
supernatural
not
powers,
following
why
the
is he
rules of
afraid
the
of
law.
anything like
This
court?
authority to pronounce his judgment. He better go and set his own house in order. He better go and eradicate the drug menace from Punjab. He better go and eradicate the flow of liquor and booze from Punjab, which was the land of the great gurus, and now it has degenerated into the land
That
of
means
booze and drugs and whatnot.
And
He better go
Babas.
and set his own house in order.
That you don't worry. I think
And
your
Guruji has
Baba
been
don't need
excluded.
to.
Well, you know, if we are a country, no, one second. We are talking. We are talking. We are Are we a country of the people, by the people, or for the people? Or have we become a country of the Baba, for the Baba, and by the Baba? One law for the people, one law for the Baba.
From a Babalok government,
no.
Arnab, from a Babalok government, we have now moved to a government of Babas.
Okay,
That
right.
is what has happened.
Well, I think the BJP ought to
BJP. That's the only.
Both are bad. A Babalok government is bad, and a government of Babas is bad. I think we'll take the debate forward, and I think. Aditya Insan, Satyapal Jain, Mahesh Singh Grewal, Indira Tiwari, Sanjay Hegde, Manjeet Singh, and Ajay Gautam. I thank you very much for joining me on debate number 1
Constitution of India.
on the News Hour tonight. Thank you very much.